Manipur ki hausi oriba irang asigi phivam yengsinaba opposition alliance India ki MP kun mathou na shawa tim ama numit nini ki khongthang asi Imphal da yorakre Manipur da thokliba irang asi mahousha ki phivam da hanjillaknaba Prime Minister Narendra Modi na chap khongthang ama paikhatpa mathou tai haina opposition alliance na phongdokkhre MP kun mathou ki tim madunga si numinungba adwaida Delhi da ki Imphal ki Betty Kendrojit International Airport ta thunglakhi MP sing aduna Imphal da hek thunglabada opposition alliance da yauriba political party singi state unit na lengyan khudol tamduna taramna okay Tim aduna Imphal da thunglaba matung tongan ba opposition party ki MP sing aduna pongmi sing da hai housing Manipur da thokliba irang asi ki matang da Prime Minister Narendra Modi na tumina leisilba si yamna laibak thibane irang asi ga mari leina na ngasi opposition ki MP sing Manipur da lakliba si Manipur miyam ki damak opposition India na lebdi haibadu takna bane Matam leba kibikta opposition India na Manipur miyam gi damak lepli lamdam asitang du leitana leine na bapum namak na honamina se Manipur gi matang da Prime Minister Narendra Modi na parliament da wafam khara thamna na ba opposition party sing na demand tawdu na lakli adu ba hojik fawo Prime Minister na wafam amata phongdokta na leiri masipum namaki oi na yamna laibak thiba amane House ki leader su oriba Prime Minister Narendra Modi na House ta Manipur ki wafam amata phongdokta ba si yamna tayona ba amane phivam asida opposition party sing na amata oina punsinduna Manipur gi hojik oriba phivam asi khanna ba akan ba mong da honari haina su phongdokhe
We want to hear the Prime Minister send a message of peace and solidarity. We want the Prime Minister to initiate a process of dialogue, of restoring peace and normalcy. People are still living as refugees in their own state, in their own country. We want the Prime Minister to offer them a way of returning back to their lives. So this is the roadmap that we want to hear from the Prime Minister, that how does he intend to bring about peace and normalcy and a feeling of brotherhood amongst the people of Manipur, amongst the people of Northeast. India Alliance, we represent parties from across the length and breadth, from north to south and east and west. We believe in a united Manipur. We believe in a united Northeast. We believe in a united India. And today people are suffering, and we have come in their moment of grief and suffering to give our message of solidarity, to express our regret that they have witnessed such horrors. They have witnessed such violence, and we want to listen to them, and we want to take their stories inside Parliament and express their concerns and express their aspirations in the Parliament over the days to come.
That entire India is here, and we have come here to assess the situation of Manipur with the masses, that we are with the peoples of Manipur, and we appeal to all the communities, to live Manipur like a brotherhood atmosphere. So Manipur should come to the peace, and with this motto we have come here to assess the situation, and we appeal all Manipur peoples to back out from the violence and live peacefully with brotherhood.
The situation in the parliament, if you look at the Prime Minister, for 70 days he kept silence. After the intervention of the Supreme Court, he uttered a single word for 36 seconds, but still he is not coming to the parliament. And somehow the state government also has miserably failed to handle the situation. And we feel that now at least let us join together. And therefore all India has come over here to see that, assess the situation. We want to assess the situation also, because we want to speak in the parliament on behalf of Manipur. But at the same time, we appeal heartily. It is disheartening. We are, really disappointed with the functioning of the state and central government. Disheartening, the situation is continued for so long, and it is discussed all over the world in their parliament. And that's very, very, harmful to our country. Let us be united. That's why we have come together. That's all.
Ngasi Imphal da thunglakhiba MP singi team aduda Congress ke Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, Gaurav Gogoi, Fulo Devi Netam, Kodikundil Suresh, ZDU ki Rajiv Ranjan Singh, AITC ki Susmita Dev, DMK ki Kanimoji Karunanidhi, CPI ki Shandosh Kumar, CPIM ki AA Rahim, RJD ki Manoj Kumar Jha, SP ki Javed Ali Khan, JMM ki Mahua Maji, NCP ki PP Mohammad Faisal, ZDU ki Anil Prasad Hayes, IUML की ET मोहम्मद वसीर, RSP की NK प्रेमाचंद्रन, AAP की सुशील गुप्ता, शिवसेना के अरविंद शवान, BCK की D राजीव कुमार, Tirumalavan amadi RLD gi Jayan Singh yauri team aduna Imphal da thunglaba matungda helicopter da Surchanpur gi damak khongthang ki team aduna Surchanpur da thunglaba matungda Surchanpur college ki voice hostel hangiba relief camp ta chatuna mafam aduda leiriba singa unagani team adu Surchanpur da gi halaglaba matungda Moirang college Akampat laiba Idol Girls college ta hangba relief camp amadi Lamboi Konang Khong da hangiba relief camp ta chatuna relief camp asida leiriba singa unagani hayeng team asina Raj Bhavan da chatuna Manipur gi governor Anusya Uke ga unaduna Manipur da hojik oriba irang asigi matang da wari shanagani hedi